What's up, guys? This is my 2020 370Z. I want to do a quick exhaust setup video for you guys because all the videos I found on YouTube of Z setups, I feel like nothing really has come close to how obnoxious and annoying this one is. So I wanted to give you guys a reference for what this setup is and how annoying it is. Front to back, I'm running a Hall Built Performance custom intakes. I'll pop the hood here in a second and show you. So custom intakes that go into Catless Megan Racing test pipes, into a Hall Built Performance dual resonated Y pipe, and then that goes to a Tomei. It's very loud. it's pretty annoying. I mean, here it is just at idle. I'll go ahead and pop the hood and show you guys what's going on under. So here we are. You can see the rainbow pipes. Those are Hall Built Performance custom 3-inch intakes. I'm also admin tuned. You know, so I got like the race map, I got the flame map. It shoots like huge flames out the back. I'll go for a drive on the inside of the car so you guys can get an idea for how loud this setup is. I would not recommend this setup at all for daily driving. Like I said, I've had like multiple people call the cops on me just driving past them. Like people have like, you know, called the cops and given them my plate number because of how loud it is. So it's pretty annoying, but yeah, let's do some in-car driving. All right, so I have the car in race mode 1, so admin tuning, Ecutek, you know, race mode 1, so no pops and bangs here, but let's take the car for a drive and let you guys listen. Now the windows are up. I'll just do some like kind of normal in-cabin driving, windows up. 4th gear right now. Okay, so that quick drive was all admin tune 1. It's pretty damn loud, but now I just switched it over to admin race tune, the flame map mode. So it like burbles and cracks a shit ton when you're like giving a little bit of throttle in between the gears. So I'm gonna do a drive with it in flame mode 2 now, so you guys can hear that. Windows are down. Z exhaust setup. It's probably the worst, most obnoxious Z exhaust setup that you could run, but it's fun. I'm glad I did it for a little bit, but definitely gonna get it quieted up. I already have a silencer for it, but I took it out for this video. But yeah, there you go.